In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional solid lipstick base using the simplest ingredients. This is the exact formula you can use to create your own unique lipsticks, or even take the first step towards starting a profitable home business. Even if you've never made lipstick before, don't worry. With this step-by-step tutorial, you'll easily be able to create a product that not only has great quality but is also ready to sell. So if you're ready to boost your creativity and your income, let's get started.